2004 Chevy Silverado 5.3 Oil Capacity and Oil Type Guide. This comprehensive guide provides information on the oil capacity and oil type. Recommendations for the 2004 Chevy Silverado 5.3 engine. The oil capacity for this engine is 6 quarts, but it may vary depending on the specific model year. It is important to maintain the right oil level for optimal engine performance and longevity. The recommended oil types are 0W20, 0W30, 5W30, or 10W30, with synthetic oils highly recommended for maximum performance and protection against wear and tear. Regular oil changes every 5,000 to 10,000 miles are essential to prevent potential damage and ensure smooth operation. To maintain your Chevy Silverado's performance, it is crucial to understand the oil capacity for your specific model and year. For a 1999 to 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500 with a 5.3L engine, the oil capacity is 6 quarts. However, newer models built from 2014 onwards have an increased capacity of 8 quarts. It's important to consult your owner's manual or a professional mechanic for accurate information on other Chevy Silverado models with different engines. Choosing the right oil type for your 2004 Chevy Silverado with a 5.3 engine requires referring to the owner's manual or consulting a professional mechanic. Any oil brand that meets DEXO's 1 approval is suitable for use. The recommended viscosities are 0W20 and 5W30, with some models accepting 10W30 as well. Regular oil changes are vital for preserving your engine's longevity and efficiency by ensuring proper lubrication, cooling, and overall performance. Neglecting oil changes can lead to increased friction, overheating, and potential engine damage. In summary, maintaining the correct oil capacity and performing regular oil changes according to manufacturer recommendations will help keep your Chevy Silverado running smoothly for years to come.